Hey guys, have you ever thought why the biggest superpower in the world, one of the richest countries, is actually so tired? Yes, I am talking about Americans. The morning alarm rings, and what is the very first thought? I need coffee. It's afternoon. I need more coffee. It's nighttime. I am too tired to sleep. So, in today's video, we are going to uncover the real reason why the entire America is running on permanently tired mode. The first and the biggest villain is hustle culture. There is a weird combination going on in America: who slept the least and who worked the most. If you are getting 8 hours of peaceful sleep, people will look at you as if you have committed a crime. They have taken no pain, no gain. A bit too seriously over there. People are working 2, 3 jobs, running side hustles. When you turn your life into a 24 to 7 marathon, then, brother, not just your feet, both your mind and body are bound to get tired. The second reason is their fuel. When Americans get tired, what do? They drink coffee, but that is not for normal black coffee. That is a venti ice caramel macchiato with an extra shot and a lot of syrup. Know what happens? This much sugar and caffeine gives you an instant energy spike. You start flying in the sky. What exactly 2 hours later, boom, sugar crash. You become even more tired than before. Then to beat that tiredness, another coffee. This is a loop which is impossible to escape. This term is trading on lot these days, and Americans are expert in these. It's called revenge bedtime procrastination. You listen to your boss all day, tall, redent clients tantrums got stuck in traffic, meaning the entire day was not yours. So at night, when it's time to sleep, your brain says, no, I won't let this day end so soon. Now I will scroll reels, watch Netflix, and take revenge for my freedom. The result is 2 a.m. in the morning, and at 6 a.m., it's the same routine again. You wanted to take revenge from life. What do you ended up taking it from your own sleep? And the last thing, mental exhaustion in America. The boundaries between work and personal life have almost vanished. Whether it's the weekend or 9 a.m. and at night you have to reply to the email. On top of that, the stress of healthcare, the stress of rent, loan, EMI. When your brain is constantly in fight or flight mode, then no matter if you lie in bed for 10 hours, your body is unable to relax. So here is the thing, America might be running the world, but it's running on coffee and hope. The next time you say how you. So here is the thing, America might be running the world, but it's running on coffee and hope. The next time you say how are you to an Americans and they say tired, just know that they are speaking from the bottom of their heart.